at MG Design, Experience Magnified really means three different things. It means seeing further, looking deeper, and thinking bigger. We're here at the first station in our exhibit, which is all about seeing further. As you can see, we have a telescope here, which is a fun little interactive that our guests can use. Inside, we've mounted AV equipment, and you can actually see a little guy in outer space on a hamster wheel. And the reason that we have that, because seeing further at MG is really partially about helping our clients get off the hamster wheel. They go from year to year and deadline to deadline, and it's good to step back once in a while and actually take a look at the program. And what we try to do is to help them do that and look at their program in its entirety. Look at the show schedule, look at opportunities, look at their assets, look for the opportunities beyond the booth. What could they be doing to drive traffic? All of those things, basically stepping back and looking at what could be done within the program. That's See Further at MG Design. Looking deeper to MG is about looking at things a little bit differently, taking a closer look at what your program has to offer. What can we find within the program already that we could utilize better, utilize differently, we could magnify or enhance? Looking at measurement statistics, what can we glean from that? What can we learn? How can we take that to build a stronger program overall? We've incorporated here a fun microscope. Of course, a microscope magnifies things, and in this case, we have 4 really fun slides that just sort of punctuate the message of looking a little bit differently at things and looking a little bit deeper. Again, that's what we're doing with our clients, is helping them see things differently and pulling more from what they already have. At MG Design, that's looking deeper. So the third piece of Experience Magnify is really about thinking bigger. And it's not just about thinking bigger as far as a bigger booth or a bigger budget. It's really about thinking beyond what you already have and finding ways to make that work. Beyond borders, going globally, beyond the booth, thinking about pre-show, at-show, post-show, and beyond boundaries. In this particular booth, we have a mini projector. That is our interactive. And it shines up on a screen which actually goes through a demonstration of what it means to think bigger. We know that through SEER research that there are all types of statistics that support pre-show. We talk about post-show. We talk about measurement and how SEER research shows that companies that measure have 2 times more likeliness to be able to maintain or expand their budget. At MG Design, that's thinking bigger, finding ways to take what you have and make your program bigger and magnifying your experience.
So a lot of the people that we encounter, they're very, very busy. I mean, they've got so many things going on, and they're probably doing the job of 1.5 people or 2 people. We can offer a lot of services and expertise that can maybe help them out, make things easier for them. And that's really why we focused on these phrases: see further, think bigger, look deeper. These structures are, ultimately, it's a venue to communicate some ideas and some thoughts and some capabilities. And there is a purpose to what we do, and there are parameters that you have to work around. And the chief parameter is to attract attention and get people into the exhibit space. And you do that with a lot of different things, whether it's the interactives, the symbolic, iconic elements, the dynamic video, the structures, the whole experience. So really, that's what encapsulates the idea of Experience Magnified.